Good morning, students. Welcome to English class. Today we will come to the lesson, the school for sympathy. Last day we discussed this term, sympathy, and the specialty of the school. All these things we discussed. So we have to come to the text today. So I had heard a lot about Miss Beam's school, but I didn't get the chance to visit it till last week. So here the school mentioned is Miss Beam's school. So it was something special. It was a special school, and the narrator had heard a lot of things about the school, but he hadn't got the chance to visit it. So at last he decided to visit the school. When I arrived at the school, I saw a girl of about 12 with her eyes covered with a bandage being led carefully between the flower beds by a little boy of 8. So what was the first sight he had seen while he reached the school? That is, he saw a girl, and what was her condition? She couldn't see. Her eyes were bandaged, covered with a bandage, and she was moving with the help of a boy. It is mentioned a boy of 8. She stopped and asked who it was that had come in, and he seemed to be describing me to her. So as she couldn't see the person, see the narrator, the boy gave her a description. So no doubt in the case of people who are blind, they get ideas about others from the description given by other people. So in the case of this girl also, the girl got an idea about the narrator from the description of the boy. Then they passed on. That means they continued their walking. It is mentioned they were in the garden between the flower beds. Miss Beam was all that I had expected. Middle-aged, authoritative, kind and understanding. So some details about Miss Beam. What are the details given here? Middle-aged, about her age. Authoritative, even though she was a middle-aged woman, she was the authority, she had the power. Kind and understanding. Her hair was beginning to turn grey, and her round figure was likely to be comforting to a homesick child. So other details given, some details about her hair. It has started becoming white. It is mentioned beginning to turn grey. Okay, that is she was a middle-aged woman, that's why. And the specialty of her face mentioned figure was likely to be comforting to a homesick child. So some details about Miss B. We chatted for a while, and when I asked her some questions about her teaching method, which I had heard were simple, she said. Chatted for a while means they talked for a while, and the narrator wanted to know the specialty of the school. He had heard from others that the system was very simple, but he wanted to know the details from Miss Beam. So that's why he asked. So what did she say? We teach only those things that are simple and useful to pupils. Spelling, adding, subtracting, multiplying, writing, etc. The specialty of the school, they taught the children only something that is useful. So some of the things are mentioned there, to read, write, and also to do some mathematics. The rest is done by reading to them and giving them interesting tasks. The other things they are learning through some tasks. There are practically no other lessons. I have heard so much I said about the originality of your system. What was the attractive thing about her teaching method? There was an originality. So we know that if we are not practicing something that is really needed in our life, that will be useful. But if you are doing something which is not needed, it won't be helpful for us. So that's why it is mentioned the originality of the system was the speciality of the teaching method. Miss Beam smiled. Yes, she said, I am coming to that. That means she was going to give a description of the system that they were following. The real aim of this school is not to teach thought, but thoughtfulness, humanity, kindness, and citizenship. This is what she aimed to teach her children. Along with the lessons that they taught in the school, the children should learn certain qualities: thoughtfulness, humanity, kindness, citizenship, etc. That's the ideal I have always had, and happily there are parents good enough to trust me to try and put it into practice. So we know that it was a special system. The system of learning, teaching was different from the other schools. So all the parents were not interested, but there were parents who were interested in this system and sent their children to Miss Beam school. Then look out of the window a minute, will you? So she was planning to show him the lesson or the thing that they were practicing in the school. So what did he see through the window? I went to the window which looked out on a large garden and playground at the back. So there was a playground which he could see through the open window. What do you see? Miss Beam asked. I see some very beautiful grounds, I said, and a lot of jolly children. So he could see the ground and many happy children. But what surprises me and pains me too is that they are not at all healthy and active. So even though the children were happy, he noticed that some of the children were, what is that? They were not healthy and active. As I came in, I saw one poor little thing being led about because of some trouble with her eyes. So we know that while he came to the school, he had seen a girl whose eyes were covered with a bandage. And now I can see two more in the same condition, while there is a girl with a crutch just under the window watching the others at play. So he could see other girls who were not able to see, and also he could see a girl with a crutch. That means a crippled girl. That means a girl who couldn't walk properly, or who was walking with the help of a crutch. What is crutch? She seems to be a hopeless cripple. Miss Beam laughed. Okay, why did she laugh? See. Oh no, she said. She is not lame really. This is only her lame day. Nor are those others blind. It is only their blind day. Actually, the children who couldn't see now, they were not really blind, but this was their blind day. I must have looked very much astonished, for she laughed again. So really the narrator was surprised. He couldn't think that these children were really normal. There you have an essential part of our system in a nutshell. That means I am going to give a description very briefly. That's why in a nutshell. In order to get these young minds to appreciate and understand misfortune, we make them share in misfortune too. So as we discussed yesterday, in order to understand the real difficulty of a blind or a crippled or a deaf and dumb, these children also become blind, deaf, dumb and crippled for certain days to understand their difficulties clearly. In the course of the term, every child has one blind day, one lame day, one deaf day and one dumb day. So that is part of their learning. During the blind day, their eyes are bandaged and it is a point of honor not to peep. Like they have to understand the real difficulties of a blind person, so they should cover their eyes with a bandage and they should not peep. What is peep? The bandage is put on overnight, they wake up blind. വാട്ട് ഡു ദേ പ്രാക്ടീസ്? ദേ ബിക്കം ബ്ലൈൻഡ് ഓവർനൈറ്റ് അല്ലേ? അപ്പോൾ രാത്രിയിലാണ്. അപ്പോൾ നമുക്കറിയാം എന്തുകൊണ്ടാണ് രാത്രിയിൽ നേരം വെളുത്ത് വരുമ്പോൾ ഒത്തിരിയേറെ കാര്യങ്ങൾ നമ്മൾ പ്രഭാതത്തിൽ ചെയ്യുന്ന ഒത്തിരിയേറെ കാര്യങ്ങൾ നമ്മൾ ചെയ്യാറുണ്ട്. അതിന് പോലും മറ്റുള്ള ഒരാളുടെ സഹായം വേണ്ടി വരും. This means that they need assistance in everything and other children are told to help them and lead them about. They cannot do anything of their own. They should be led by others. They should be guided by others for each and everything. ചെയ്യേണ്ട കാര്യങ്ങൾക്കെല്ലാം മറ്റുള്ളവരുടെ സഹായം വേണം. It is educative to both of them, the blind and the helpers. Both the people, both the group, the blind and the helpers, they learn a lot of things from this experience. So as we discussed, the school was trying to teach their children sympathy, or the school tried to teach or tried to help the students to understand the real difficulties faced by such handicapped people, blind, deaf, dumb and lame people, and they were practicing it in their real life so that they had a better understanding of it. Okay, so that was the system followed in the school, and we will see what the others were doing, but that we will do next day. So now what you have to do is read the first 6 paragraphs carefully and also complete the side questions. Okay, we will stop for today. Thank you.